Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print your name 10 times using the while loop. So given the name as input to your Python program, so your task is to print your name 10 times and you should be using the while loop in order to print the name. So that is a problem statement. So before going to the code, so let's understand the while loop. So while loop is nothing but a looping construct or the conditional statement that generally repeats a set of statements until condition is met. So this is a syntax of while loop. So where we have to perform the initialization, then also we have to check the condition, and this is a set of statements that generally it executes, and this is a incrementation or decrementation you have to perform. Based on this, the condition varies. So this is a syntax and explanation about while loop. So once we are done understanding, so let us try to write a code. So let me take a variable that is name and use the input function call to ask a user to enter name, or let's say please enter your name. Yeah, so once the user enters the name, so it will be stored in this particular variable. So now we have to print this particular variable 10 times. So before printing, so let's try to print a user-friendly message onto the standard output. So printing your name 10 times. So let me copy paste the same. Yeah. So once we are done printing a user-friendly message, so let's try to take a index value and initialize it. So let's say index is equals to 10. So we have to print 10 times. So that's the reason I have taken index 10. So if the problem statement changes something like 100 or 50, so you can just change over here as well as here. Yeah, so now let's try to check the conditions while index. So if index is a positive number and not a 0 or minus value, so you should be keep repeating the statements that is printing the name. So we have to print the name over here, and yeah, so we have to keep decrementing in case of this. So index minus equals to 1. So we'll be keep on decrementing until the index value becomes 0. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program in order to print your name 10 times using the while loop. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program. So enter your name. So let's say code with TJ. So you can see printing your name 10 times. So these are 2 times, third time, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so this is a output it has printed onto the standard output. So let me run this again. So enter your name. So let's say name. So this is just a string I have given. So you can see name has been printed 10 times. So you can also give any string over here. So it will generally print it 10 times. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print your name 10 times using the while loop. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.